What's going on, everybody? James Wayne with Steer Your Mind, and welcome to another video. Now, if you want more content, make sure you subscribe to the Steer Your Mind channel, and also make sure you subscribe because I'm actually going to be putting out videos every week. So make sure you keep on track of that, and when you subscribe, you should get notified of those videos. And also make sure you comment down below what you want me to make next, and also just comment down below what's on your mind, and also share this video to whomever you think will help the most. So yes, in this video I basically want to go over with you guys on just the Steer Your Mind philosophy, and what Steer Your Mind is also based off of is Cybernetics. And I'm a big firm believer of Cybernetics, and when I first discovered it and found it out, basically you're just imagining the scenario before it happens. And whenever you imagine a scenario before it happens, like if you're a football player, you know, if you're a basketball player, and you imagine a scenario of you crossing over the guy and making a shot, or you imagine yourself in football scoring that big touchdown. Well, in Cybernetics, you actually are role playing, and you're role playing. It's like being at rehearsal. So what you're doing is you're at rehearsal inside your own head, and you're actually play by play, like a movie. And our mind is mental images. So you could play the movies in your head of the scenario as it unravels. So yeah, for example, if you want to, if you're a basketball player and you want to make the clutch shots, you want to make the big plays, you're going to have to role play that situation before it happens and get emotionally involved in it as you're imagining it. Because if you find a nice quiet place, you know, and you're just calm, and you know, if you find a nice place and you're calm and you just think about this, it's going to work more effectively, and you know, you're going to find out that you're going to build a great amount of confidence in yourself, and you're going to, whatever you imagine, whatever you think, and whatever ideas come in your head, and you put a lot of emphasis and thought into that, like how you do with the scenario when you shoot the ball, and you have fear that you're going to miss when you shoot. Well, if you imagine that you're going to make the shot, like if you imagine yourself play by play, having a big man pass the ball into you, you're the point guard, you know, just imagine just crossing over the guy, you know, and also just play by play, just imagine the guy being open, and you pass the ball to them and they make the shot. But now let's say if you're the person that has to make that shot, now just play by play, imagine the point guard going down the court, and when you go down the court, you know, they cross over the guy, whatever, and imagine yourself just cutting through, you know, just making your routes, and you catch the ball. Imagine yourself catching the ball, and when you catch the ball, imagine yourself, you know, with your own form, and imagine the shot going in. So when you do this exercise, you gain a lot of confidence, and it makes you believe that you already made the shot. So that's the whole key with Cybernetics. And yeah, it's just to build your confidence is to see the scene before it happens. You know, just think about it as a movie, and you're rehearsing for that movie. So in your mind, that's rehearsal. Going through those scenes, that's rehearsal. So if you role play, and it's like they say, fake it till you make it, you will make it. You will make it because your mind accepted it first. And once your mind accepts it, then it just spirals out of control, and you start to feel this confidence once your mind accepts it. And that's where it all starts anyway. So yeah, guys, I just want to go over the Steer Your Mind philosophy or at least one of them, because law of attraction. I'm definitely big on that, and also this is actually one of the other videos I did. I did a video on this before, but I guess I didn't really get it detailed to where I wanted, so I actually wanted to make this video on Cybernetics again. But yeah, guys, you have a great day. I'm actually going to head out and actually get some things done. But yeah, guys, I'm glad you guys were able to join me and take some time out of your busy day to join me. And you guys, make sure you remember the Cybernetics. You can read a book on it actually. Just look on YouTube, type in Cybernetics. I forgot who the author was. I think it's Mark Schwartz. I'm not sure who the author was, but just type in Cybernetics and it should pop up. And it's like a blue audiobook. You should see it's like a light blue. But yeah, guys, you have a great day. Take it easy. And again, subscribe to the Stereo Mind channel for more content, and share this video to whom you think might appreciate it or need it the most. And if you guys enjoy, take care. Have a great weekend. See ya.